So from this session we are moving towards our literature part, and we are starting with the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was a famous poet, essayist, critic, publisher and editor, and he had done many of the creative work. And the Macavity, the Mystery Cat, is one of his most loved poem ever. So talking about Macavity, the mystery cat, it is somewhere different from normal cats. You also have a pet, and if you are having a cat, so have you ever noticed, is that mysterious or not? But our Macavity, the mystery cat, is very much mysterious, and a name also given to the cat, and that is Hidden Paw. So all in all, you have seen some Hindi movies also like Dhoom and Dawn. Have you seen the characters? Have you noticed the character in those movies? Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. So the same thing is there with this character Macavity. He used to do the crimes and suddenly he vanished from the scene. So let's move to the first paragraph. First of all, I am reading this to you. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So in the first paragraph, the poet is saying that Macavity, the mystery cat, and he is also named as Hidden Paw because it's very much difficult to catch him. For he is the master criminal and he used to defy the law again and again. He used to defy the law means he used to cheat the laws. And whenever the Scotland Yards, the police force of Scotland, they used to go on any of the crime place, Macavity is not there. It's not easy to catch the Macavity. So here in this first paragraph, the poet is just giving a brief description of the character of Macavity, the mystery cat. So let's move to the second passage. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So in this second passage, the poet is saying that in committing the crimes, no one is like Macavity. Every law of nature and every human law, Macavity has broken. And he used to just defy the law of nature also in a way. He used to just break the law of gravity. He can float in the air, he can swim in the air without any support. And it's not easy for the police even to catch the Macavity so easily. So whenever he used to do crime on any of the place, whenever police reached there, Macavity is not there. He used to vanish from the scene. So our mystery cat is such a character who is always beyond the reach of the police. Now move to the third stanza, and in this stanza the poet is giving a brief physical description of Macavity, how Macavity looks like. Although no one has seen Macavity, but yes, they can assume that if it's a cat, it may look like that. So let's see this. Listen the third paragraph. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. So, in this stanza, the poet is giving a brief description, a physical description of Macavity. He is saying that Macavity can be recognized by his physical appearance only. The poet is saying that Macavity is a ginger cat and he is tall and thin. And if you have seen Macavity ever, so his eyes are sunken and his brows are deeply lined like this, as he is thinking something. His eyebrows are like that. His head is highly domed upside, and his coat, the furs, the hairs on his body, they are dusty and they are uncombed just because of ignorance. And he sways, he just waves his hat from here to here, from one side to another, like a snake, as he is watching everywhere and he is observing very minutely. And when you think he's half asleep, if it looks like it's sleeping, he always wide awake. He is very much aware. He can judge you that time only, whenever you are thinking that he is sleeping. So Macavity is a kind of devil having a shape of cat. Now I am reading the last passage to you. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is of ant in felin shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity's not there. So, all in all, the poet wants to say that this devil, he is mostly corrupt. You may meet him, you may see him everywhere, but whenever any crime is there, he used to do the crime and he used to leave the place very cleverly. You will not find the Macavity on the crime place, on the spot only. So, T.S. Eliot has created a very interesting character in the form of Macavity, and I have taken this poem from in between just because we had done the grammatical part furthermore, and just I want that it should be somewhere interesting. So, Macavity the Mystery Cat is the most interesting creation of T.S. Eliot. So, this was all about Macavity the Mystery Cat. Thank you.